Hey y'all, and welcome back for another Watch Cheryl Scrap. Today is day 24 of Scraptember and 30 days of sketches. Our sketch today is brought to us by Page Maps, and our prompt for Scraptember is to use wood veneer. I am starting with having made the main paper shapes for the template, and I did add a smaller matted solid paper underneath the other ones. I just felt like I needed a little something extra to pull it all together. So I've grabbed a couple of wood veneer pieces. I'll have the car and the van down at the bottom, and then the wooden arrow, and that's pointing at, we went to Mobile, so I'm pointing that arrow there. Right now I've taken a card, and I didn't want the whole card, I just wanted the piece that said on our way, and then I balanced that out by adding the same craft paper, this time in a scallop with some stitching on it, down at the bottom. And here's another piece of wood veneer, and it's a light blonde wood compared to the ones at the bottom. Oh yeah, and then the Summer Fun word strip is also a wood veneer. This is from a kit called Out and About Road Trip. So yeah, it's from Sweet Shop. Made by Studio Basic and Grace Lee, and I'll have that linked in the description box below. So now I'm just balancing out a little more of that craft up at the top left corner, and adding just a couple little word strips. I added the overlay, one of the mixed media overlays, onto the white paper up at the top, and it says treasures, and then I'll add a little font there. It says shopping for treasures because that's what we were doing. We're heading over to an antiques gallery that has an estate sale once a month, and after that we went to a barbecue place, and then we went to the Antiques at the Loop, which was a fabulous little store, and they had lots of little treasures there. So we had a great time going over and hanging out together. So there's my final piece, I think, added. Oh, no, I had in some stitching too to go around where we were. Here's the final layout. I hope you enjoyed watching the process, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 25. Thanks, bye.